Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is DML, insert, update, delete, atomic operation or synchronous call, non-atomic operation or asynchronous call. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. It is used to make changes on data available in S object. DML operations are of two types: atomic operation or synchronous call, non-atomic operation or asynchronous call. Insert new records and commit them to database. Syntax: insert S object. Example: create new account record. Account ACC equals to new account, acc.name equals to Wipro, acc.industry equals to banking. Insert ACC. Update the field values of existing records. Syntax: update as object. Example: fetch all the leads whose lead source is web and update their rating as hot. List of leads equals to select ID, comma rating from lead where lead source equals to web. For lead L leads L dot rating equals to hot. Update leads. Delete particular records. Syntax: delete S object. Example: fetch all the leads which are created today and delete them. List of leads equals to select ID last name from lead where created date equals to today. Delete leads. Atomic operation or synchronous call. It means if any operation fails, the entire operation fails. Synchronous call means a single thread will wait until it completes its task before proceeding next. It runs as single thread. Insert, update, upsert, delete, undelete, merge, converting leads. For example, transition operation, non-atomic operation or asynchronous call. It means any operation fails, remaining will run. Asynchronous call means multiple threads will not wait to complete a task before proceeding next. It runs as multiple thread. Insert save result class, update save result class, upsert result class, delete result class, undelete result class, merge result class, empty recycle bin result class. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to open developer console. For inserting a record, first I am going to open debug, open execute anonymous window, and here I am pasting the code. Account ACC equals to new account, acc.industry equals to banking, insert ACC. Clicking on execute. This record is inserted. For confirmation, click on accounts, new this week, click on go. This record is created right now. Wipro and banking. Wipro and industry equals to banking. Update. Fetch all the leads whose lead source is web and update their rating as hot. For this, we need to open execute anonymous window. Click on execute button. So now you can see here the lead source web rating is hot. Delete. Fetch all the leads which are created today and delete them. Clicking on debug, open execute anonymous window. List of leads, select ID last name from lead where created date equals to today. Delete leads. Click on execute button. If any lead is created today, then that lead is going to be deleted. Like this we are performing DML operation. Thank you.